Hey everyone, it's Gina. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing this easy curly hairstyle. It's kind of like an updo. It's kind of just an everyday look as well, and it's very easy and effortless and only takes just a few minutes to do. This is also going to be a giveaway with this DevaCurl Curly Care Kit. This has some of my favorite DevaCurl products in it. I'm so excited for you guys to win this. So one lucky winner will get to win this prize pack. All of these are perfect for hair care in the winter time because they're really moisturizing. There's some of my favorite treatments in here, like the Melt Into Moisture Mask, the No Poo Original One Condition, my two favorite shampoo and conditioners. Then there's the styling cream and the Set It Free product. So really great products in here. Can't wait for you guys to win. So stay tuned to the end of the video to find out how to enter. So for this hair tutorial, I wanted to create something that would be fun to wear to like a holiday party or going out for New Year's or something like that. I'm somebody that does not like to do a lot with my hair. I find that my hair it's more complicated, I guess, to do a hairstyle versus just wearing it curly and down. So a lot of people with curly hair I know just wear it down every single day, but I wanted to create something that was really easy to do, didn't take a lot of effort, doesn't mess up your curls, and you can have your hair up out of your face. And I'm gonna do my best to break it down in really easy to follow steps for you to follow. So let's go ahead and get started with the tutorial. So I just finished refreshing my curls for the next day, so I wanted to show you what I actually used. My hair was still looking pretty good from the day before, but I did have some tangles underneath, so I just wanted to go ahead and detangle. And then I always like to use the products that I used previously on my wash day, and I just add a little bit more. So I used the DevaCurl Be Leave-In. This is a texturizing and clumping and volumizing product, so it helps clump your curls together. I just applied like a dime size amount to my hair and flipped it over and scrunched. And then I used a little bit of the styling cream from DevaCurl. I just had some of this on my hands when I was detangling, and I kind of smoothed over the frizz with that. And then I finished off with the Ultra Defining Gel from DevaCurl. This is a huge bottle. I love this stuff because it has a really strong hold, but without the crunch. And again, I just smoothed that over my hair and scrunched it through to add a little bit of hold, and especially up top where I had a lot of frizz going on. And then I diffused my hair on cold, and then I used a little bit of warm heat on my roots to give it some lift with the diffuser. And then that's where we're at now. So my hair is pretty much all the way dry now, and I wanted to refresh beforehand. That way my curls, you know, were more defined and detangled and stuff in order to style it. So all you're gonna need is a hair tie. I just have this kind that's like a ribbon. It doesn't crease your hair as bad. You can use a scrunchie if you want. That might give it a little bit of volume, but I have a hard time like covering up scrunchies since I don't have a whole lot of hair. And then you're gonna just need some bobby pins. So I am gonna add a little bit of the styling cream from DevaCurl to my fingers, and that's just gonna help to where I don't tangle up my hair when I'm pulling apart the curls. You can wet your hands a little bit. So I am just gonna wet my hands a little bit with my spray bottle, and I have a little bit of that cream on my hands, so it just helps make it to where I'm not just gonna, you know, cause a lot of frizz. And I'm gonna start pulling out some pieces that I want to leave hanging down. So I always have these little baby hairs, and it just helps kind of frame the face. I'm actually gonna wet it just a little bit. You don't have to do this, but I wanted to leave a few face framing pieces out just so I don't look bald, I guess. You can do as little or as much as you want. So I just pulled some down around my ear too, and we're gonna fix these in a minute so they won't look so frizzy and crazy. So now I'm just gonna start to gather my hair back, and here at the top, I'm going to kind of gently comb it back with my hand. And with curly hair, you don't wanna like brush through it because you're just gonna ruin the curls. So I just kind of keep my fingers like this a little bit, just so I'm like pulling it in the direction I wanna go, but I'm not like brushing through it. When I style my hair like on wash day, I try to brush it back when I've got my styling products in when it's soaking wet. That way at the crown area it doesn't part, because mine tends to do like that cowlick thing in the back and it looks like a bald spot. So I try to make sure I do that when it's wet and I'm styling it. That way it will stay that way when it's dry. So I am going to try to make like little poofs on each side right here. So I'm gonna actually go ahead and pin these with a bobby pin. Gathering the hair right here and pushing it up, and I'm just gonna take that bobby pin and put it right in. So I'm just kind of gathering it like this and then pushing it forward. And you can even twist if you wanted to create two little twists on each side. That would be cute too. Okay, so you could totally leave it like this if you like that half up, half down look. So you could totally leave it like this if you like that half up, half down look, which I really do. But I am gonna gather it into a bun. And I'm gonna do that on this side because my hair is parted on this side, so it kind of just swoops over nicely that way, and I have more hair on this side. And I'm gonna create a bun just by wrapping it around like this and pulling it halfway through on the second loop. And now I'm just going to pull the bun like this to make it bigger. And you can see I have the curly end sticking out. And that hair tie was the color of my hair, by the way, so it helps conceal it. You could take these side bobby pins out if you want, but I kind of like the volume that I got with using those, with kind of pushing it up on the sides and pinning it. You can kind of pin any pieces you see sticking out, but I like keeping it just messy. And you can even pin the bun to your head, which I might do just to kind of lift it. So you can kind of pull on it, adjust it, make it as tight as you want or as loose as you want. So now I'm just gonna try to fix these pieces, and for that I just need a little water. I'm gonna spray a little bit on my hands, and I still have a little bit of that cream on my hands, and I'm just going to smooth over them. And you can kind of turn them with your finger. And that always helps mine to kind of get defined. It's hard to tell sometimes which way the curl wants to go. So now you can spritz it with some hairspray if you want to, but I think I'm just gonna leave mine because I have that Stronghold hair gel in, so that helps to prevent frizz. And that's really it. Super easy. It looks a lot harder than it really is to do, and I like how it's just messy, so you can really, you know, get away with it looking messy and not have to fuss too much with it. So that is it for this hair tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll have the steps and stuff on the blog post that goes with this video, which will be the first link down below. I'll have photos of the look if you want to save them on Pinterest so you can try them out later. I'll have the steps on there and stuff for you. So for the giveaway, like I said, you're gonna win the Curly Care Kit, and it has some of my favorite products in here. DevaCurl is an amazing high quality brand that is 100% sulfate, paraben, and silicone free, so Curly Girl Method approved, of course. So all you have to do to enter is leave me a comment down below. I'd like for you guys to tell me a video request. If you are struggling with something with your curly hair, please let me know. I'm planning out the rest of the videos that are in my Curly Hair Care for Beginners series that I'm doing here on my channel. So I'd love to hear kind of like what you're struggling with. What is your biggest challenge with your curls? Are you transitioning right now? Do you have a lot of frizz, damage? Whatever it might be, let me know in the comments, or you can just tell me like what your favorite curly hair product is, whatever you'd like. Just leave me a comment down below to count as your entry. And another way for a bonus entry is you can actually subscribe to my blog's mailing list, which just means you get the post sent right to your inbox whenever I post a new video, which is only once or twice a week, so you won't get a ton of emails from me, I promise. And be subscribed to my channel because the giveaway is for my loyal subscribers. So I just want to give back to you all. Thank you so much for your support all year. I cannot wait for videos that I have planned for 2019, and I'm super excited about it. So thank you all for your support. I appreciate you more than you know, and thank you so much for being here on my channel. So that's it for today's tutorial. Thank you all so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I post videos on Sunday and an occasional bonus video on Thursdays. So I would love to see you back next week. Bye everyone.